Welcome to the world of artificial intelligence. In just a few decades, AI has transformed how we live and work. From self-driving cars to AI-powered factories, what once seemed impossible is now reality. In this video, we'll explore AI's evolution and its powerful potential for the future. Let's start with the basics. Artificial intelligence. AI creates systems that can think, learn, and act like humans. From analyzing data to making decisions, AI can handle it all. These systems replicate human abilities, enabling machines to work autonomously and adapt, like giving machines a brain. Next up is machine learning, ML, where AI really shines. ML lets machines learn from data by training models to make decisions and predictions. There are two main types: supervised learning, where labeled data teaches the machine to recognize patterns, and unsupervised learning, where the machine identifies hidden patterns in unlabeled data, helping find meaningful insights without predefined answers. In supervised learning, we use labeled data with answers attached. For example, product reviews labeled as positive, negative, or neutral help the model learn to classify new reviews on its own. The more labeled examples the model sees, the better it becomes at making accurate predictions. In unsupervised learning, the machine works without labels, figuring out patterns on its own. For example, given customer reviews with no labels, the machine might group similar reviews, those with words like amazing or terrible. The machine uncovers hidden patterns, clusters, or trends we might miss, all without guidance. Let's dive into deep learning, a subset of machine learning that mimics how our brains work using artificial neural networks. These networks, like layers of neurons, process data and recognize patterns. Unlike traditional models, deep learning handles complex patterns across many layers. It powers tasks like face recognition and stock market predictions. Now let's take it up a notch with semi-supervised learning, where the real magic of deep learning shines. In semi-supervised learning, we train a model with a small amount of labeled data and a large amount of unlabeled data. Think of it like teaching a student the basics with a few examples, and then letting them figure out the rest on their own. Here's how it works in action. Imagine a bank is trying to detect fraudulent transactions. The bank has only labeled 5% of its transactions as either fraud or not fraud, because let's face it, labeling every single transaction takes too much time and resources. But with deep learning, this isn't a problem. The model takes that 5% of labeled data and learns what makes a transaction good or bad. Then it applies what it's learned to the remaining 95% unlabeled data, and using this new aggregate data set, the model makes predictions for future transactions. That's pretty cool. Foundation models are the backbone of modern AI, designed to handle multiple data types like text, images, and speech. Trained on massive datasets, they can process and generate information across various tasks. Once trained, they can be fine-tuned for specific tasks such as question answering, sentiment analysis, or image recognition. Let's dive into large language models, or LLMs. These are game changers in AI, enabling machines to understand and generate text just like humans. Trained on huge amounts of data, LLMs power tools like chatbots and virtual assistants, offering quick, natural customer support. LLMs also shine in content creation, helping businesses write articles, marketing copy, and social media posts in record time. Need to make sense of long documents? LLMs can summarize reports, saving hours of reading. They're great for data analysis too, turning raw information into clear insights, and they even automate routine tasks like drafting emails and reports, freeing up your team's time. LLMs also help with professional communication, ensuring consistency across platforms. For developers, LLMs act as code assistants, speeding up coding and debugging. They're also used for research and sentiment analysis, helping businesses gather insights from customer feedback and make data-driven decisions. LLMs are versatile, powerful, and already transforming businesses, boosting efficiency and creativity in ways we couldn't imagine before. Let's dive into one of the most exciting advancements in AI, generative AI. This is the AI that doesn't just analyze or respond, it creates. Generative AI can produce entirely new content based on what it has learned from existing examples. It can generate text, images, music, and even videos or 3D models. Imagine having AI that can write articles, design visuals, compose music, or create a 3D model simply by learning from what's already out there. Let's recap. artificial intelligence, emulated human intelligence, machine learning, learn without explicit programming, deep learning, complex pattern recognition, foundation models, large-scale pre-trained datasets, large language models, understand and generate human-like language, generative AI, creates original content, images, text, or music. Let's explore two concepts that make AI even more powerful: fine-tuning and prompt design and engineering. Fine-tuning takes a general AI model and trains it on specialized data to make it an expert in a specific field, like property law or medical diagnosis. This process helps businesses get highly relevant, accurate results tailored to their needs. Prompt design and engineering involves crafting precise instructions for the AI, guiding it to produce the best possible output. It's like giving the AI a clear roadmap to follow. Together, fine-tuning and prompt design turn a general AI into a powerful, customized tool for your business. Let's look at Smith & Jones Solicitors, a boutique legal firm in Sydney, specializing in property and conveyancing law. They handle both residential and commercial transactions and see AI's potential to streamline operations like contract drafting and legal research. But the AI must be accurate to navigate the complexities of the New South Wales property law. Fine-tuning is crucial here. While general AI models like ChatGPT are useful, they aren't tailored to the specific nuances of New South Wales law. Without fine-tuning, the AI might produce inaccurate or irrelevant information, leading to lost business. Why fine-tuning is important. Specificity. Property laws vary by state. Fine-tuning ensures the AI focuses on the New South Wales specific laws that matter to Smith & Jones. Minimizing hallucinations. AI can sometimes generate incorrect information. Fine-tuning reduces errors by grounding responses in accurate legal knowledge. Efficiency. Fine-tuned AI generates relevant responses faster, drafting contracts and accessing specific legal information more efficiently. Competitive edge. Fine-tuning allows Smith & Jones to offer more accurate services, giving them an edge over firms using generic models. How fine-tuning works. Data curation. The firm compiles a data set of New South Wales legislation, case law, and internal knowledge. Model training. The AI is trained to understand New South Wales property law and their specific needs. Continuous improvement. The model is regularly updated to stay current with legal changes. Outcome. A fine-tuned AI helps Smith & Jones draft contracts faster and more accurately, conduct thorough legal research, provide tailored, up-to-date advice, stay ahead of changes in New South Wales property law. Key takeaway. For firms like Smith & Jones, fine-tuning AI ensures legal accuracy, builds client trust, and allows them to deliver exceptional services. Thank you for exploring the world of artificial intelligence with us. The impact of AI is already transforming industries, and there's so much more to come.